So this is a 2012 Chrysler 300 with the clicking noise under the dash. Apparently this is a problem with these cars. So what I did was pry this piece off first, snap straight out with those clips there. Then there's two screws here, this one here and this one here. And then these clips come straight out. So when this is up here, you just pull forward and down. And then from there are two actuators. One is right here behind this bar. One's right behind this bar, and the other one is back in there. Let me see if I can get the light to show you. So right there where that connector is and that hole behind it, that's where one actuator goes, and then the other one is right here. So the actuators look like this. I got this one online for less than 20 bucks. About to replace it. It's very hard to get the screws off in there. Very tight place. Two tools that I used for this, and tools I like very much, is this item here. Takes a 1/4 inch bit on this end, locks in place with a ratchet, and then the other end is a 1/4 inch drive. Also, if you press this button, you can move this and lock it. So it's locked there now. Works real well for getting in tight places. Now I found on this particular project, this little ratchet, about 3-4 inches long, worked perfectly. It was small enough to fit the head in there and still be able to work it back and forth. So that's how I'm fixing the clicking in my car. And one of the ways you can test this is turn your air conditioner on. And what I did was I held a finger on the bottom one and a finger on the top at the same time. I moved the controllers around, waited for it to start clicking. Once it started clicking, you could feel it in your fingers which one was bad. It was the top one in my case. So I took it out, ordered a new one. Now I believe there's two more on the passenger side. So whichever side your clicking noise is coming from, that's what you need to look at. Well, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you have not yet, and have a great day.